Building a startup in 500 days, day 258. All right, so kind of big milestone today. We got the app finally live in the App Store. We had a bunch of back and forth this week trying to update different functionality. I had to do block user, report content, stuff like that. But finally got accepted today. I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty cool to search it in the App Store. I do already want to change the subtitle though. I can't lie. Right now it says where creators take action. I don't know. This is one of my problems, to be honest. There's so many different ways I get excited about formulating what we're doing or kind of the value prop or what excites me about it that I go back and forth on all these different ways to put it. But right now I'm getting excited about this idea of just showing up. I know for anyone who watched the Grammys, Jay-Z mentioned this in his speech about just keep showing up. And I mean, a lot of people mention it, but I love it. I think it's such an important topic that the cheat code is basically just showing up consistently. And so I might try to change that from where creators take action to just show up or something like that. I already edited the promotional text to say something like the cheat code is just showing up. We're here to help you. Because the whole idea of the app really is just consistently showing up. Daily action will compound, that kind of stuff. But in order to edit it, I have to resubmit it, I think, or like do a whole new app version. So I might not. I don't know. We shall see. But yeah, pretty hyped about that. And then Sesh was staying yesterday on the case study stuff. We have like a good kind of V1, but I feel like we need to. It's AI generated, right? So you know how you can tell sometimes when something's AI, like over the top AI personality kind of. So he's going to work on toning that down a little bit, and then hopefully that will put us in a pretty good position to start getting that live. And then still waiting on some feedback for the manager mobile. I can't lie, like, I don't know, it is definitely weird building something that isn't for me. Like all this stuff, like I use all the apps that we build, and I'm basically building them because I want them. But this is the one that I'm not doing that, which I guess can be helpful because, you know, maybe you have more objectivity behind it, etc. But it definitely makes me like almost less excited, to be totally honest, to work on it, or just I have less natural inclination on what to work on, I guess, which maybe could be good because I fell into the challenge last time of just overbuilding because I built everything I wanted. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I mean, I'm just so curious to get feedback on the first test. I think Zach is gonna talk with the artist he manages later this week, this weekend, or early next. I think that will be huge, just to kind of inspire our next direction. Just like, is there value here? Is there not? It's like honestly pretty hard for me to tell. And then from there, yeah, we can construct mobile. I'm definitely so excited about the prospect of it because it does feel like there is a need, but I feel like I'm kind of in like a waiting game on feedback from actual artists and managers to see if it is valuable before kind of going forward versus daily the app like just showing up. That's something that I like I deeply believe in, and I feel like I'm excited to start marketing it more and stuff like that. So yes. And so like we have it live on the App Store, but we haven't really started talking about it yet because the idea was to really use these case studies as a marketing driver, which still kind of is the plan. But I don't know. Maybe I can do some like memes about just showing up too. Who knows? I mean, now like it's a whole new chapter, I guess, live on the App Store. There's no invite code or anything like that. It's just like free to download. So I would imagine it'll be a while before we get like an influx of people because we're not like posting about it anywhere. But it will be kind of wild. Like this will be the first time that it's not really curated, like beta testing as the narrative. So yeah, I guess yeah, kind of milestone day today. So overall solid day. Follow my journey. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.